To add shapes in my viewboard for Android, locate the shape icon in the main toolbar. Touch it once to activate and touch twice to open up the shape menu. Just like with the pen tool, you can use the colors to select your color, the slider to change the line thickness, or this slider for transparency. Select a shape from the menu and then draw it on the canvas by touching and dragging. You can also add arrows from the shape menu as well. Just like with the other shapes, choose your color, then select the arrow you want to draw. Touch and drag to draw your arrow. Note that every time you choose a new shape from the shape menu, the shape icon changes. So if you have a triangle selected, it'll be a triangle. Or in this case, we have a directional arrow, so that is what is selected in the main toolbar.